have a problem 13-10. So, merong tatlong department dito. So, ang i-analyze natin dito ay yung assembly department. Um, at first I wondered bakit wala siyang ah, sinabi tungkol sa kung saang point ng production nilalagay yung materials, but I realized na hindi siya kailangan. So, we will realize it as we proceed. So, let's start. We have the beginning work in process na 3,000, and then started during the month 45,000. These are all given. So, ang total nito is 48,000. So, again, merong apat na ah, maaring puntahan yung 48,000 na 'to. Puwede silang spoilage, normal or abnormal, matapos at ma-transfer out, and puwede silang maiwan sa ending work in process. So, ang given sa problem ay transferred out na 40,000 at ending work in process na 4,000. Ah, Ngayon is kailangan nating computein yung normal at abnormal spoilage. So, ang sabi, normal rejection rate is 5% of those reaching the inspection point. So, ang issue, alin ba yung mga units na nag-reach sa inspection point? Sabi kasi, yung inspection point daw occurs at the end of the process. So, ibig sabihin, yun lang mga nakarating doon yung pagbabasehan natin. Okay? So, ilan yon? Bale, dun sa 48,000, itong 4,000 lang which I highlight with red. Yan lang yung hindi nakarating sa inspection point. Yung transferred out, pati yung nawawalang normal at abnormal spoilage, lahat sila nakarating sa inspection point. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang normal spoilage natin is 2,200. Ang ating solution is 5% ng 44,000. So, yung 44,000 is 48,000 lahat ng units na pinrocess during the period, less 4,000 na naiwan sa ending work in process. So, 44,000 yung nakarating sa inspection point. So, 5% ng 44,000. So, that's 2,200. And syempre, yung balancing figure natin is 1,800 for the abnormal spoilage. So, we have a total of 48,000. So, let's now compute for the EUP. Meron tayong tatlong cost element, yung transferred in, materials, at conversion cost. So, transferred in, wala tayong problema kasi hindi naman yan makakarating sa department natin nang hindi kumpleto sa transferred in cost. So, lahat sila ay 100% complete sa transferred in cost. So, ito yung EUP nila. For conversion, ang given ay, ah, wait, ano nga ba yung given? Ending work in process, which is 20% complete. Of course, yung transferred out is 100% complete. And then yung normal at abnormal spoilage, walang binigay na percent of completion, but they are actually 100% complete dahil nga sabi sa problem, yun daw inspection point occurs at the end of the process. So, ibig sabihin, 100% complete na yung process bago ma-inspect. Yung spoilage, madiskubre mo lang naman yan sa inspection point. So, 100% silang complete as to conversion. So, we have the following EUP. For materials, binigay kasi na wait, unahin muna natin itong normal at abnormal spoilage. So, again, 100% complete sila as to material. So, ito yung kanilang EUP. Kasi nga, inspection happens at the end of the process. So, may materials na yan. Kompleto na lahat. So, 100%. Ending work in process, binigay ng problem is 50% complete as to materials. Ang transferred out, of course, is 100% complete. So, we have the following EUP. Ayan. So, diyan ko na-realize na hindi pala natin kailangan yung data kung saan nilalagay yung materials to solve this problem. So let's now proceed sa cost. Meron tayong apat na column dito for transferred in materials conversion cost. And then we have two rows, beginning work in process and cost added. Lahat ng ito ay given naman sa problem, so you just get the total horizontally and vertically. Okay? So lahat naman yan is given except the total. Kaya naman yung total. Now, because the problem uses weighted average, so yung cost per EUP natin for materials, it's 2750. Ito yung solution natin, 1,320,000 divided by 48,000. For sorry, transferred in pala yung kanina. For materials, it's 225. Solution, 103,500 divided by 46,000. So, same logic for conversion. Okay? Ay, sorry. Okay, so ito yung sa conversion. And then you get the total of the three. Itong tatlong to, kunin mo yung total, that will give you the uh, total cost per EUP na 35.45. With that, pwede na tayong mag-distribute ng cost dun sa apat, normal, abnormal, transferred out, ending work in process. So, you know the drill na naman, no? Paulit-ulit na tayo. So, i-block ko ng lahat yan. Alam niyo na naman kung paano gawin yan. So, ito yung distribution natin ng cost. So, for this problem, yung ating finished units, ang cost nila is, ayan, yan, composed ng dalawang yan. So, ang total niyan is 1,495,990. Um, yung abnormal spoilage, as usual, yung 63,810 will be debited to the loss account.